about this is that there has to be another way. The thing about playing devil's advocate, my dear, is that your client is the devil himself.
Walter, we're fixing the world. What other choice do we have? Thank God that machine didn't blow everybody up. You know, it could have.
Excuse me.
Here, hold this.
I'm looking...
3, 2, 1.
Walter, you brought it back to life.
No. It's still quite dead. Wonderful, isn't it?
Who are you people?
What the hell are you doing here?
There's still a few kinks to work out, but it's a start.